Hello everyone, welcome back to Stitch and Carry Curation. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to draft the pattern of this fashion bag from the beginning to the end. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share and give your thoughts in the comment section below. Now let's get started. So firstly, I'll be drafting out the pattern of the bag and I'll be using chipboard. So if you look at the chipboard, you can see that I cut it like a book, open and close. So the full measurement I need is the one I've already ruled out, as you can see it on the screen. Just make sure to add little allowance at the side and at the top. And the measurement for the wideness is 6.7 inches. The measurement for the height is 7.2 inches. Then I try to connect both the measurements together this way. From this line here, I'll measure 3.6 inches. So I'll come to the top here, I'll measure 4 inches. So after that, at the top again, I will measure 2.7 inches. So after that, I will come to this line, the line of 3.6 inches. I will measure 3.4 inches. Then I will take the ruler, I will place it this way to connect the line of 3.4 at the bottom to the line of 4 inches at the top. Then I will place it again this way to connect the line of 3.4 and 2.7 inches to form a V shape. After that, I'll come to the side here, I'll measure 0.6 inches. After that, I'll place the ruler on the line of 0.6 inches and rule it down to the line of 3.6 inches this way. After that, I will come to the top here, starting from that line to the up, I'll measure 0.3 inches. Then I will use the ruler to rule it very well. The line of that 0.6 inches, I'll rule it up to the line of 0.3 inches. After that, I'll place the ruler on the line of 0.3 inches and connect it to the line of 4 inches this way. After that, I'll come to the bottom, I'll measure 1 inches. Then I'll place the ruler on the line of that 1 inches to the top line here and connect it together. After that, I'll come to the top here, I'll measure 0.6 inches. Then I'll take the ruler, I'll place it on the line of 2.7 inches and connect it to the line of 0.6 inches this way. After that, I'll come to the line here, I'll measure 0.3 inches. Then I'll take the ruler, I'll place it on the line of that 0.3 inches and connect it to that dot line. So I'll be curving the bottom to give it a round shape like this. So you can use anything you have to give you a rounding like this. And if you don't have, you can get all these curving stuff at the bookshop. Those that sell the bookshop sell all those kind of things, but for me I don't have it for now, so anything I see is what I use to curve, or I use my hand. That's the reason why you see me using this bowl, accept bowl to curve it. So you just place the curving on it from that center line, from that line of the 3.6 inches, then you curve it down. So you can see that it gives me the roundy shape that I want. Now I'll be cutting it out this way. And that is how to draft the pattern of this fashion purse from the beginning to the end. You can see that it's very simple and easy to draft. And that is how to draft the pattern of this bag. If you're enjoying watching this video or you learn something from it, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and give your thoughts in the comment section below. In the next tutorial, I'll be showing you on how to make the bag from the beginning to the end.